My homie just had gummy bears, and I have a crazy sweet tooth right now. Maybe I get a sweet tooth when I'm nervous. Don't want to fall, don't want to be a viral meme, because I just see this giant sparkle falling down the stairs.
Landing a split.
Man, if I could do a split, I would do a split on the carpet, but yeah, I might have to take me to the hospital after that. Hi guys, it's Kehlani. I'm here with Elle, and I'm getting ready for my very first Met Gala, and I'm shook. Can you see it in my face? I haven't seen the whole look, but I trust my team because they're amazing and I've worked with them for a long time, so I trust it always come together.
We're going for 70s, Farrah Fawcett, like Cyndi Lauper, like Prince era.
Last night I sent him a picture, like, what if we angle it? Because the style we wanted was pretty close to this inspiration. So I just was like, what if we angle it a little bit in this direction? It's classically American. I've always loved it, and recently it was a giant TikTok trend, and I thought maybe I should try this, but at the time I wasn't putting any heat on my hair, so I'm glad I get to try it in wig form. I just love that you made the wig look like my actual hair, like it's perfectly dyed like how my hair is.
Yes.
Yeah, everybody's been calling me Cruella all week.
Oh my God, Cruella meets Farrah Fawcett.
Cruella Fawcett. Boobs are out. It looks great. It's so fun. How does it look? Do you guys like it? I think I always wanted my hair like this. I used to see pictures of my aunts when I was little with their hair like this, and I'm like, how do you achieve that? I think what makes this one so special is it's honoring a lot of designers that I know personally. It's honoring a lot of designers that we've got to see them come up over our time in this time. Today I'm wearing Alia, which is Jason Rembert's brand, who's a really good friend of my manager's, actually. So I'm really honored to be here, and it's my first Met and his first Met together. So my look is like old rock star, classic 70s, 80s, like I'm wearing a full sparkly, super spunky like suit with these cool straps on it. I'm wearing a matching watch with Law, so that's gonna be really fun too. It's just, I'm gonna be blinged out everywhere. I got my mask, I'm all ready. It's time to go, you ready? We out. I'm excited for the after parties. I always heard about the after parties. I always like watched and had FOMO on Instagram of the after parties. And I feel like I'm cool enough to get into the cool kids club. So I'm going to the cool kids table tonight. All right, that's it. See you later.
Hi everyone. Good.